Welcome to my YouTube channel. This is ayomidegraphix. In this video, you will be learning how to use AI, which is called artificial intelligence, to do what is called face swap, whereby changing the face of an image then adding another face to the image. Without wasting much of your time, let's get into it. First thing, you go to your Google Chrome, then click on the search bar, then you type Remaker AI. Then you click on face swap. Now, this is how it works. As you can see, there are two spaces there. The first space there is for the image in which you want to use, thereby changing the face, which is simply called original image. Then the second space there is for the face of the image that you want, maybe someone else's face, that you want to swap to the original image, simply called target face. Now, let's begin. The next thing now is to upload the target face. Now the two images are there, the original image and the target face. Now we click on swap. Wow, love this, so lovely. It looks real and beautiful. As you can see, with just few clicks, you can now do face swap using AI in just few minutes, and it is look real. Now the next thing to do is to download it. As you can see, that's the download button over there. All you just need to do is to click on the download button, then it will download. This is the downloaded image in which we use, then this is the original image. So I also did another one. This is the original image, then after using AI to do face swap, this is the targeted face. So that's how to do it. If you are watching this video and you haven't subscribed to my channel, kindly click on the subscribe button below, click on it again, click on all for you to get all notifications. Kindly give a comment on what you think about this video, hit the like button, and also share this video across your socials using the share icon on your screen. Thank you for watching this video. See you in the next video. Bye.